All right, welcome back to Currency 365. Hope you guys had a great day, a great Thursday. Unfortunately, the markets are just terrible, and I'm not going to look at you guys' comments tonight. I'm going to look at it tomorrow night because we are getting this. These bear breaks are coming. It looks like, and everything is breaking. Bitcoin just broke 6,000. So there's no need to look at your comments and your coins because everything is red right now. So there's no need to do that. We'll do it tomorrow if, once it's a better environment, once we finally see everything clear out and see if the bulls buy the dip or if we continue lower, okay, and make new lows, okay? So we'll look at the comments tomorrow. Put in the comment section the coins you want me to look at tomorrow night when the environment of the crypto markets is a lot better. Right now, we are in a bear break. We just broke the wick here, so the first bear break is right here on the wick. Second will be right here on this wick, and of course the third one would be the really big one right there at the bottom, about five. What's it? 5777. So okay, so the first bear break has happened, which is a little small one because there's another one right here that could hold. Hopefully this holds. If not, we would probably come down to the last one right here at 5777, and if that doesn't hold, then we are headed towards 5,500. Okay, and then if 5,500 doesn't hold, we're headed to 5,000, and then if 5,000 does, we better hold 5,000, right? Well, hopefully 5,500 holds, right? So we're going to be in some very, very sketchy situations if Bitcoin falls below 100 billion market cap here. So right now it's holding it. As long as it stays above that 57 range, I think we'll be in good shape. But right now the bears are in full control, and the bulls have no life. And they show no signs of life except for this nice bullish doji here, which did nothing. We didn't reverse anything. We didn't even get one of these little green candles here. We got these miniature green candles. So the bears were just continuing to short here, and daring the bulls to show some type of life, and did what they just haven't yet. So maybe they will tomorrow. Maybe they respond tomorrow, in a big way, and then we finally start making some moves. I don't know, guys and girls. We're just, we were getting close to this bull break here, and then do we just let it go? Okay, so no signs of life for the bulls right now. All bear action. It says here that blockchain launches institutional platform to give investors crypto exposure. Okay. All right, so that is Bitcoin. The MACD lines are starting to head down as well. So see how this plays out. We'll see if we do get the bear break all the way back to 5777, and then see if that holds. Litecoin, same thing here. Inside bar, looks like we're going to get an inside bar bear break. Could be. You never know. We're still in pretty good shape for Litecoin, though. We're not as weak as Bitcoin. So Litecoin is actually stronger right now. We're not even at these lows down here, and we're not at the low down here. So we're only at 77.5, 85 right now and we are now starting to drop, it looks like, but and we're trying to fight that as well. We're sitting at that 77.85. So Litecoin is in pretty good shape. I mean, the bears are in control of the candle, but it's not dumping. It's not doing anything drastic right now. Bitcoin bulls are trying to fight back over to that 8,000. Let's go back to Bitcoin. I'm not 8,000, but 6,000. Looks like we fought, and the bulls are trying to keep it over 6,000. They just got that right now. So let's see, we're at 6,012 now. So the bulls are trying to fight it here. Okay, so it's going to be a fight between the bulls and bears. We did get a bear break though, right there. It's just a mini one. The real bear break is right here at this 5777. Okay, so let's go back over here. So the bulls are trying to buy up the dips now. So let's see this. Let's look at Bitcoin Cash. We'll end with Bitcoin again at the end just to see what's going on. Okay, so Bitcoin Cash really close to a bear break here. Just looking weak lately. Just been looking very weak. So 663.60 is the bear break, and this one just looks very weak. Let's look at Ethereum here. Let's see if Litecoin is looking the strongest out of all of them right now. Ethereum's looking okay as well. So I mean, bears are in full control, and we're back to the 20 again here. But you know, we're looking okay. We know the bear break ain't till all the way down here. So we got 421. Well, that's only $10 away, so it's not that far off. Okay, but the overall candle is okay right now for Ethereum. Okay, so let's go back to Litecoin. Again, yeah, so Litecoin is the strongest. Because look at the bear break, it's way down here at 70. Oh, wait a minute. That can't be right because Litecoin's bear break is at 73. So it's less than Ethereum's, okay? So yeah, but the candle's actually okay. The candle's not bad. It's just a normal red candle. So Litecoin and Ethereum are the strongest one out of the four here. And then let's look at Vertcoin. Vertcoin, okay. Bears in full control, coming in, sell signals coming in, and the power zone here. And if we break this line, we're going to continue to dump here for Vertcoin, and we're probably going to 50 cents on Vertcoin. That would be crazy, wouldn't it? But hey, looks like we're about to happen. It looks like it's going to happen. Ethereum Classic is the strongest out of all six of them. The big six. Ethereum Classic is clearly the strongest, and we're also coming down, which is a good sign. About to come back to the 20. We might be at the 20 on the next candle, and then we might go underneath it. It might come back down here. I don't know. So far we've been holding that 20 and making buy signals out of it. But right now, Ethereum Classic is very strong compared to the rest of the names. Okay, bear's in control of the candle, but we're way off from a bear break. Bear break is basic right here, and then after that you got another bear break right here, and then we have. We break this line, but let's just say this, and then the 50-day moving average sitting right there. We're in good shape right now for Ethereum Classic still, regardless of the candle. We're at the top, and we're going sideways. As long as we stay above this 200 moving day, and these lines get to come down here to oversold, we'll be in really good shape when we see a turnaround. Okay, so that's the big six. Let me actually go to the top 200 coins, and then we'll come back and look at Bitcoin again and maybe like 5 other coins to end it off. I want this to be a quicker video because everything's going red right now. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is 42.5. We're under 10 billion in volume, so no volumes coming in. 244 billion in market cap. Man, you guys know that if everything had gone to plan, as the webbot were saying, and the momentum that we were having in the crypto with the mass adoption stuff, if everything had gone to plan, I wouldn't even be here right now talking about this stuff because I was going to take the whole summer off. Remember, I was going to take June, July, and August off, and then come meet you guys back maybe like end of August into September. So, man, I don't like to see low volume and all this boring stuff. You know what I mean? So. And look at Tether. Tether's starting to go back up now. And everything's going red. So getting ready for a bear break here unless some type of miracle happens. Digibyte now only up 4% now. Mithra up 28%. Okay. Ethos up 16%. They're good. There you go. That was some people made some money off of that today. Game.com up 9%, but it hasn't moved. It's up and it's not moving. It's just going straight. Last 24 hours. So I'm thinking the people that made some money, some profits today are looking at their account saying, give me that money right now because it looks like everything's going bad. MediShare, same thing there. People are probably going to start taking profits now as they see the markets look like it's going bearish, and they're probably going to dump it into Tether to save their profits or something like that. I don't know. Smart Mesh is at 12%. Okay. Let's see here. Anything else? Safe Exchange up 12%. Okay. And that's it. All right. So let's go back over here. Let's look at Bitcoin again. Bitcoin under 6,000 again. So there it is, under 6,000. And the bears are trying to keep it under 6,000. And the bulls are trying to fight a little bit here and trying to get it back over 6,000 and get a support level there. But no support level at 6,000 anymore. It looks like the bears have broken through 6,000, and and they wanted to go below 5,500. I don't know. Do the Bears want it to go under? I know they were calling for 4,000 and 3,000 stuff like that, but that does hurt the miners. It does put a red eye on Bitcoin and the actual market. And the Bears don't want a black eye on the market. They want to be able to trade up and down, right? So, because bears are also bulls at some point. Right now, they're just bears, right? And they're short, and they want to cover their shorts and stuff. They don't want the market to die off. You know what I mean? Because then they won't be able to play the market. They won't be able to be bulls. They won't be able to be bears. They won't be able to short, right? So, at some point, you got to realize, okay, we're at a point where the miners aren't going to be profitable, and also it's going to be a black eye to the crypto space, and we don't want to see a black eye because it could mess up your short positions, could mess up all that stuff, right? Who's gonna when you're covering, no one's gonna want to when you're covering, when you're buying or selling, the volume might be so low that these exchanges shut down and stuff like that. So you don't want to play that game. So you know what I mean. So once you get to the point where the miners are no longer making any money and stuff like that, you need to you need to stop. You know what I mean? And so that's right there at about 5,700 bucks, 5,777 is where the miners really don't make any money anymore. So I would love to see it stay right here at 6,000 to and just go sideways from here and just try to Bitcoin just needs to figure out what it wants to do and just stay right here and then figure it out and then start to head on upwards. Okay. So let's look at like 5 more coins here. Put that back. And let's see what else is going on. Oh, we do got some stuff there in the green. And we already checked this out earlier. So ADEX is still doing okay. It's not even dumping. And look at that. Bread came all the way up to the 200 the 50-day moving average. So it's not even dumping as well. So bread's strong. A lot of these, those are strong. So that's cool. And we already looked at Digibyte earlier. Let's look at IOTA's down. Let's see. Let's just go through the names here. Okay, Digibyte's coming down. A lot of profit taken on Digibyte. Lots of profit taken on that one. So let's just come down and check some of these names out. Okay, Doji there. Stratus down. Stratus has been an absolute disappointment. Monero, look at that. I told you guys, if Bitcoin sees a bull break, this thing was going to shoot up like crazy. If we see a bear break, it's going to stop the momentum. And then it stopped momentum in its tracks. Doesn't mean the run is over, but it has stopped momentum in its tracks. Let's see here. Oh, wow, look at that profit taking there. But we did see a nice boom. So, JT, hopefully you were able to load up here and make some money on this boom. But if you're long, then you're not even making any money. You just buy the dips and you just wait for the future, and wait for these coins to be at 50 to 100 bucks in the future, right? If you're really long in these coins, let's check out Tron. Okay, bears in control of that candle there. AirSwap, bears in full control. Veritasium was looking weird earlier today, and now the bears are in full control. Dogecoin, let's see, wow, just tanking. And I'm still earning my Dogecoin. I'm still, I got a faucet that goes to Dogecoin automatically, and I'm also earning my Dogecoin on EOBot. So yeah, earning my Dogecoin. Any type of little referral commissions I get go to Dogecoin. So yeah, just earning my Dogecoin. I think I got another I don't know how many Dogecoins I got. Maybe another 5,000 Dogecoins came in on referral commissions today. I think it was today or yesterday. I mean, on EOBot. I'm not even doing nothing on EOBot. So you guys are mining, and the more you guys mine, the people that are underneath me that got underneath me from EOBot, the more you guys mine, I get like a fraction, and so that could be $10 a month. That could be $5 a month, and it's just going to Dogecoin. So you know what I mean. So I'm still earning the Dogecoin. Redcoin here, I have Redcoin as well, of course, and waiting it out. It's just sitting there on the 200 moving day. But let's see here. Just continue to we just buying these coins and buying them really slowly. You just maybe $5 a week, $10 a week, $10 a month. or if you're getting some referral commissions, and it's $10 a month or $5 a month, and it's going towards something, then fine. And that's how you're gonna make some money in the future. Okay, that little money, you got the faucets as well. That little money is gonna make you some money in the future, right? Once these coins are out of the pennies and small dollar ranges, and they're up into the 50s and hundreds and $200 ranges in the future. Of course, it's the ones with the projects. A lot of these coins that don't have any type of projects and don't have any use case will die out. You know what I mean? A lot of these coins will die out, and then the ones with actual projects and that actually do something on the blockchain will actually are going to be putting out a legitimate project are going to be the ones that survive. The rest of them will just collapse. Okay, so there you have it, and you know what? I wouldn't. I'm not mad about the markets being bearish, because if there is a break in the system coming, and with this year, then we get to buy these coins for cheap. You know what I mean? So it's like we're starting all over again. But this time we will have some money because of the Middle East, right? So that would be awesome. And I wouldn't even care. I would just I'll put 100,000 here, 100,000 there, 10,000 here, and I'll just get a bunch of coins, and I'll just lock them up in private keys and call it a day and not even care, and that's it, and I wouldn't even care anymore. So anyways, that's it. I'll look at your coins and comments tomorrow night, because we're just going bearish and everything's just down right now. So there's no need to look at the coins. Every coin you probably telling me about is probably red. Okay. That's it. I mean, there is some blue. There are some coins that are green, but I'll look at your comments tomorrow once we get a better picture on the markets. Are the bulls going to buy the dip? How far is this dip going to go, first of all? And then are the bulls going to step up and then buy the dip? Okay? And if they do we get another buy signal here on the MACD tomorrow? Okay, so let's see how that plays out. And yeah, tomorrow's Friday. And so if the Dow Jones is going to tank tomorrow, which some people are saying it will, I don't know if that's true or not. Is money going to come in from the Dow to the cryptos? We don't know. Or is money going into gold and silver? We just don't know. We don't know. Or are people just taking their money out and putting it into fiat, and putting it back into fiat and saying, screw you guys, right? We don't know. Anyways, that's it. Talk to you guys later. Like, subscribe, and share, and upvote me on Steemit, and I'll talk to you guys later. Put your coins in the comment section, and any comments that you have in the comment section, any concerns or anything that you guys have, new projects, new coins to look at, new things that are going on, any news in the crypto markets, crypto sphere, any YouTuber saying something crazy or ridiculous, put it in the comment section. We'll take a look at it, and I'll look at all your comments tomorrow night. Peace out. Bye.